money, hang up on them. Gang, yeah, my bitch got my name on them. Let my nuts hang on them. Niggas get jammed, they sing on you. Niggas said trippin', bang on them. Bang, gang, 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 gang on them. Gang.
Welcome back to my channel. I am Bionka Deyon, and today I'm coming at you guys with a January playlist. I'm gonna do these every month, like a different. If my playlist changes, I'll do it for that month. But if it doesn't, then you can just refer to this. I have like an Apple Music where I have like throwback songs. I have like a smooth playlist. I have a like super lit playlist, which is what I'm doing my makeup to in here, and then I have like a gospel playlist. But if you want to see all of that, I'm going to link my Apple Music below, or you can actually follow me at Bionka Deyon on Apple Music. I change my playlist up like all the time, especially like this lit playlist. It changes like, I swear, almost every 2 weeks. Before you even get into the video, make sure you are subscribed to my channel so you can join the Beehive and be with my honeybees that are on my channel. I am so close to 700, so make sure you're subscribed to my channel so you can be a part of the gang and be with my honeybees. Okay, what was that? I'm gonna stop rambling and we're gonna get into the video.
Hang up on the gang, yeah, my bitch got my name on them. Let my nuts hang on them. Niggas get jammed, they sing on you. Niggas said trippin', bang on them. Bang, gang, 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 gang on them.
There's money on my head, it's a fee on it. Rich like snow, you can ski on it. Pull up in the truck, big B on it. I heard you talking gangsta shit and we on it. LG, swagged over than the quarter key. I had the Jew like a bishop, you softer than tissue.
This is why I ain't got clap, ho. So, I don't show no sympathy. I ain't got no love for these bitches. I just bought guap from my hill.
This wall on me got my neck froze. Cool with the suicide doors. And I love all of my hoes. Bitch better have my money. Bitch better have my money. Six down, not a tuxedo. These bitches just love a nigga Lego. Little bitty nigga with a real big ego. 3 bank accounts with a whole lot of zeros.
Yeah.
You ain't got as much guap as me. You don't wanna go dollar for dollar. They some fucking cheaters. Yeah, they some fucking cheaters. Throwed off, nigga, on the reefer. I've been drinking. In the seat, going out through my system. Don't let your bitch be a victim. Okay, cool. Good job. Next time. Pick it up, groove. Baby girl, watch how you move. I really like this beat too, but you a fucking goofy though. Fucking lame ass. Oh wait. What? Work around town. All this boy was a clown. Clothes, bad bitch, yeah, watch you do coke. Broke as hell, used to sleep on the floor. I never do it no more. What? Telling you broke is no joke. Ooh, I used to kick in that dope. Wait, now selling out the shows. While I'm all rich to you. My bro, that nigga my homie. No smoke. You niggas don't want it. I can't go, won't go. Or leave my mama lonely. No smoke. But we that about that money. No smoke. You niggas don't want it. I heard these niggas won't smoke. They better pull up with 100. One Bentley with 2. Yeah, by myself at the top like a coon. When I'm in the coop, I feel like a cocoon. On the block, it's the cord. When I take drugs, I go to the moon. Yeah, moon. Look, I'll tell you when I'm saying. I'm in my gun. Look. Cause bitch on fire, deal goose. Ayy, you think I'm fuck with that hoe and you a fool. I ain't got no education, I dropped out of school. You might think I'm dumb. I'm just 17 with a whole lot of money.
Bitch, you a wannabe card. Red bottom MJ, moonwalking on a bitch. Moonwalking through your clique. I'm moonwalking in the 6. 50 with shining all over my body. Cardi got your bitch on Molly. Bitch, you ain't gang, you lame. Billy truck laying the lane. Block the brain. Brain on offset.
Baby took your man, you upset.
Cardi got rich, they upset. Cardi put the pussy on.
Baby took your man, you upset.
Ice tray on nigga flooded. Ice. If a nigga hatin', call him Joe Budden. Ice trader gang. Fuck it. Allen was insane. What my jeweler brain? Hide and Kirk Cobain.
Disrespectful. Okay. When I talk all the time, yeah. Look at the way that I move, swag. Disrespectful and I'm rude. Facts. Run up some money, I'm gone. I'm out there for Rollins. D. Russell, I'm ballin'. The NBA keep calling.
Foul. Go. Baby. Yeah. Make niggas still in the hood. Different bitches with me every night. I'm a dog, but I never bite. Tell her baby we gon' be alright. We ain't going out without a fight. We happy
Niggas know I'm in the street, bitch. 30 niggas and we deep, bitch. I don't know you, you know me, bitch. I don't know you, you know me. I don't know you, you know me, bitch. In the club with the heat, bitch. Niggas know I'm in the street, bitch. 30 niggas and we deep, bitch. I don't know you, you know me, bitch.
Vegetarian to the beef, bitch. Yo, got it, I do street shit. Yo, God, I do elite shit. 20,000 square feet, house by the water. Damn, you fell in love with the bitch. I fell in love with my chopper. Lil' mama thick, I mean lil' mama lit. Make back on my wrist. Down for your status, you fresh as a bitch. I put ice on my kids. Keep ice on my cup. And now give me something to sip.
The money go where I go, hey, smoking on gelato, swerving potholes. She from Chicago.
Fuck that, I wanna hear from the back. Under dealer, you the custom dealer. Catch a little nigga, I'm mustard. Smoking the back where they coming from Russia. I ain't never really trust you. Knew I should've never trusted you. Pablo on it. Shit about that out, they big ring, no marriage. With my style from Paris. 20,000, excuse me, I'm saying. Damn, you should be embarrassed. She fuck good, but you're nasty. Royalty. One day you get too much money, then they get afraid. My great granddaddy used to be a slave. They start to hate on you when they notice you paid. Fuck it, I guess it's the price that you pay. Yeah, royalty. Yeah, royalty.
Yeah. Y'all, if y'all can't tell, I love dogs, so.
Street PM. Everybody screaming, gang. When folks come and get you, you gon' tell on the whole gang.
I finished early, so I'ma just jam out to the songs.
She on ecstasy, fuck up 2 times and I live the bitch. Not with that extra shit, I won't text the bitch. I'm on perk and I'm on lean and I'm on bars. Pull up text and shit, start wet that shit out the car. How you go big on bed, my nigga, I'm extra large.
Yay! Cripples to make
you know my bitches simmering on sticky, so like a same time Kermit on 100 speed indigo, still identical, aim at the imbeciles. Yup, fuck up, put check now, my family set now, she gon' have sex now, guap on his head in the split of a text now, 10 twins, double drop, top bins rolling, beat from the back, legal, this lip swollen, fuck playing goal, I'm a shit fully frozen, keep talking crazy, you gon' get shit stolen. I took 100 on that, all white Maybach, they said that it's rich. Huh.
Woo! Hey!
You feel me? You did. She look easy. Nah, man. Hey!
Don't I look like I'm the shit, little nigga? Look at my motherfucking wrist, little nigga. Thought you had hits, but you missed, little nigga. Why you keep standing at my bitch, little nigga? You little niggas keep gossiping, nigga. You should go work for the blogs in them. Don't fuck with that gang, they the opposite. Pop at them niggas apocalypse. Yeah. You cannot stop it, run up that pipe up. Hey, dance in the safe, face, safe, hey, dance in the shit until the night,
Fucking then I get some money. Fucking then I get some money. Let the money come. I need face, I need brain, concentrate. I go phone, product case, killer weed, rock a lace. Fuck a move, by that dog in them place. Where these hoes on their mouth, how these hoes out of shape. Can't stop with all the subs. Bitch, I ain't cherry. If you really want some smoke, you can pull up, you can go.
It ain't safe. Tell your man pipe up, lick the pipe up. Wanna dance from the slop on my knob, like corn on a cob. I break a bitch like China did Rob. Put her hoe to work like she went and got a job. Everybody hit, man, welcome to the mob. Pull up in another whip or some, yeah, a different one. It ain't safe. Got them guns in my race. Got the street that nigga take cake. I just got another case.
Okay, you guys, that was the end of my video. Thank you for staying to the end. I know I finished a little early, but I just did a really subtle like cut crease because like I told myself in 2018 I'm gonna do like more out of the book like looks that I'm not used to. I did a full like cut crease, and I haven't done a cut crease, like a full cut crease, since like 2 summers ago. So I'm really gonna try to like expand myself and be greater in 2018 with my channel. If you want to see like me in my everyday life, make sure you are following me on all of my social media. That is Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat. And also make sure you are subscribed to my channel so you can join the BEEHIVE. I finally gave my subscribers a name. You guys are going to be my honeybees because my name is Bionka. That is all. Make sure you come back to my channel so you can see more from me. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Bang, put your fingers in the air. Bang, twist them up. Gang on the bang, bang, gang bang, gang gang bang, bang, gang bang. Me my young niggas, gang bang, rip the same gang, gang. I'm tougher than Suge Knight. Gang fuck with me, you get shot. Gang.